Milo, a tiny raccoon kid, loved cool gadgets. Mom, everyone has the newest Ultra Mega Turbo backpack. Mine is boring, he complained. His mom smiled and handed him an old blue backpack with stitched stars. You'll see. This one is special. Milo rolled his eyes. Yeah, right. At school, when he unzipped it, a swirl of glitter shot out, and the backpack floated like a mini spaceship. Whoa! Dude, that's awesome! His friend Jake yelled, but the magic only worked when Milo was being kind. When he helped a friend pick up pencils, the backpack sprouted wings and carried the books for him. When Milo shared his crayons, it created a rainbow slide for everyone. But when Milo bragged, "Check out my magic backpack," the glow faded. Huh? What happened? He asked. His friend Lily whispered, "Maybe it works better when you're nice." Milo thought for a moment, then smiled. You know what? I'm lucky to have this backpack. And lucky to have you guys. The backpack lit up brighter than ever. Milo learned something important that day. The magic wasn't in the backpack. It was in his heart. Asterisk.